Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be a hair review on RPGhair. I've been wanting to try a wig from one of these company, and I was online and I was just browsing and I saw this Jamaican YouTuber. Hoot big up to all my Jamaican YouTubers. I stumbled across her page. Her name is Petite-sue. She lives in Jamaica. She does hair, makeup stuff. I saw her talking about the hair because I think she's an ambassador for them, and I was like, okay, I like the hair. I mean, the quality looks okay, and I liked how, you know, the hair, it's the different hairs that she have displayed from them looked. So I said, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try a hair because I've been needing to get a bob. I was actually going to make a bob wig, but I'm like, you know what, let me just try this bob instead of making one. Just gonna go ahead and tell you guys about the hair. I pay through PayPal, so I don't know if that's why the shipping is so fast, but when I ordered it, it came 2 days after, I believe, and all the information on the wig in the description box. So they shipped with DHL. This is what the wig came in. That's their packaging. It's like a purple, nice purple. The box is a little smush because, I mean, it came all the way from China. Prior to seeing this hair company, I did not know anything about them. They currently have a sale going on their website, so I got it at a discounted price as well. So that's how the hair came, and gonna go ahead and open it. And that's the wig. They gave you the option to choose a free product, and I went ahead and I chose the band that you can sew on to hold that wig in place. They also send me a RPGhair Fashion Life after sale service card, and that's what the service card looks like. I like it. It's like a laminate, and it has their social media links on it. And the wig came in this long bag, and the wig description is on that. And for something that's coming all the way from China, it came in 2 days, pretty fast, pretty fast. Oh, and it came a day early too. And it has it's a bob, and it has come with this satin thingy over it. I'm just gonna take that off. And that is what so they have, it's cut in that elongated cut at the front. I'm gonna try it on and see how I want to keep it, because I don't know how I want to keep it as yet. So I haven't tried it on or anything. I want to see how I want to keep it, if I'm gonna cut it a little shorter. But I'm gonna be doing all of that on my mannequin head and showing you the styling process as I go along on my mannequin head, so you guys could see. I work best on my mannequin head compared to putting it on my head and working with it. It feels soft and nice, real nice, and it has a natural feel to it, like some good natural hair. It's moist. I really love the feel of it. And it came pre-parted because that's the one I selected. This is what the cap looks like. So the cap already have like a natural look to it. I want to show you guys. I'm trying to see how best I can show you guys. The cap already have like a natural look to it, and this is the interior of the cap. Well sewn, well stitched, great work that they did. It also has comb. Didn't even know that it has comb in it. And it also has the elastic stretch here. So far I'm liking the quality of the wig from RPGhair. Only thing I'm gonna say that I'm not liking is the closures. I guess that's how they do it, so it doesn't like they doubled the lace So right there, I'm not liking that, but let's see what I can do with this. Okay, let's go style this with you. I'm gonna be using a little concealer so it looks a little bit more natural. We'll be tweezing a little bit more of the hair to the back, just to make my part a little wider. Not wider, I should say, just to make my part a little deeper. And I'm being very careful since I don't know how this scalp is sewn. Just to add, I did cut the ends, so I curled most of the hair. I have this part at the front leaf. I'm just showing you guys how I go ahead and just kind of do it bone straight with my flat iron. This is the finishing product after I have clipped a little bit, did a little tweezing to the part, and I flat ironed it, and this is my final look. RPG hair, the hair quality is really good. I did not mention the kind of hair that it was. It is the 150% density Yaki Bob hairstyle Indian Remy hair machine made lace wig. I got it in, I think it was 12 inch. Was it 12 inch? It's 12 inch and it's a natural color, and my cap size is medium. Density is 150% heavy, and that's what they recommend, and my lace color is brown. That's the detail on the hair, of course, but I will leave it in my description box. So you guys, I am really loving the texture of the hair. The texture is really nice. It's soft and nice, and it is smooth. When I tell you, relates to shedding, I won't know if it's gonna shed, but of course I will be doing a month's review on it after wearing it for a while, so that you know how it has been after I've worn it for a couple months. Love the bounce, love the feel of it, the texture is nice, the flow of it is nice, love all of that. Curled well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.